Before the maps were carved in gold, there stood a city built on dreams, a story never fully told. Its towers touched the morning sky, its rivers carried songs of grace. The children laughed through crowded streets, hope was written on every face. Every sunrise blessed the walls, every sunset kissed the stone. No one ever dared believe the day we'd stand here all alone. We planted trees beside the gates, we built our homes with hearts sincere. We never dreamed that history would leave us drowning here. The market echoed joyful cries, the temples glowed with sacred light. But somewhere far beyond the hills, the darkness waited for the night. The winds began to softly change, the birds refused their morning song. The heavens whispered silent fears, as if they knew what would go wrong. The first flame danced upon the roofs, the second swallowed all our prayers, the third consumed our precious dreams, leaving only empty air. Mother held her child so close, father searched through smoke and flame. No one cared for crowns or gold, everyone was just a name. The soldiers fought with broken swords, the king stood helpless in despair. No mighty throne could stop the fire, no riches answered any prayer. Can you hear our distant cries, floating through forgotten time? Every tear became a river, every silence turned to rhyme. The streets where lovers used to walk now rest beneath the dust of years. Only echoes still remain, carrying our endless tears. Every painting lost its color, every song forgot its tune. The stars kept watching silently underneath the broken moon. History remembers battles, history remembers kings, but who remembers simple hearts or mothers wearing wedding rings? Who remembers little children waiting for another dawn? Who remembers peaceful voices long after they were gone? Stone by stone our world collapsed, dream by dream we disappeared. Yet our love refused to fade, though the end was always near. The empire vanished overnight, like footprints washed away by rain, leaving only shattered ruins and generations full of pain. No victory can last forever, no kingdom rules eternally. Every banner meets the dust, every ruler bows to destiny. Listen when the cold wind whispers across forgotten ancient lands. You may hear our final heartbeat hidden in the desert sands. Do not measure us by ruins, do not judge us by our fall. We were dreamers just like you, standing proud before it all. If tomorrow builds new cities, let compassion be their guide. For the strongest walls will crumble without love standing inside. One day strangers will discover broken statues buried deep, wondering who we used to be, while the ancient spirits sleep. Tell our story to your children, sing our names beneath the sky, so the world will never forget how an empire learned to cry. Though our voices fade with time, though our ashes ride the breeze, love survives where kingdoms perish, carried by eternal seas. When the final page is written, when the last old bell has rung, may our sorrow live forever in the songs the world has sung. If you walk through silent ruins, place your hand upon the stone, you will feel a heart still beating. You'll never truly walk alone. The city that the world forgot still remembers every name. History buried all our bodies, but never buried love's bright flame. And when the dawn embraces earth, after centuries of night, may our memories rise forever, like the first returning light.